With all the effort you put into reversing or preventing osteoporosis, the last thing you want as you age is to develop a curved neck hump on your upper back. This hump, often called a dowager's hump, is actually a buildup of protective fat over the thoracic spine, right at the C7 vertebra. When your head consistently leans forward over time, that area experiences increased pressure, prompting your body to form this extra cushion of fat. The good news is, by correcting your posture, the hump can gradually diminish on its own. Today, we'll go through a series of exercises designed to either help reverse an existing curve or prevent it from forming in the first place. It's not just one quick fix. It's a combination of movements practiced regularly that will support better posture, a stronger spine, and healthier shoulders. Now, throughout 2025, I'll be releasing at least 3 guided exercise videos so you can follow along and make lasting improvements. Now, we need to get out of this posture and into this posture. In this video, we will unlock the vertebrae, stretch the area, and strengthen the muscles. Let's get started. We'll start with number 1, unlock the vertebrae. Use a rolled up sock or a small towel. Lie on your back on the floor, carpeted or yoga mat, not on hard floor and not on your bed. Place the stuffed sock at the C7 vertebra at the peak of the hump. Have your knees bent and feet on the floor. Lie on it for 1 minute. I only have a 30-second time clock, so I'll post the time clock twice for 1 full minute. Next, use a foam roller that's 36 inches long and 6 inches in diameter. Now, I use 4 inches in diameter because I'm small. Your head to your hips are on the foam roller. You can use this on the floor. Your knees are bent and your feet are on the floor. My physical therapist had me place my hands on my stomach, elbows to the sides, which allows the shoulders to fall back toward the floor. Then we relax in this position for 1 minute. Second, we'll stretch the area. Now we're going to start with wall angels, standing with your back flat against a wall or a door like I am, and also your heels, butt, and shoulders are against the wall. Place your arms and elbows at 90 degrees. Your hands go up, straightening the elbows as much as possible without going totally straight. Your arms remain touching the wall. Hold it at the top for 3 seconds, then come back down. We'll do 15 repetitions. Ready? Go. And up, hold 1, 2, 3, and down for 1. Go up, hold, 1, 2, 3, down for 2, up, 1, 2, 3, down, that's 3, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, hold, 2, 3, down, 5, up, hold, 2, 3, down, 6, up, hold, 2, 3, down, 7, up, hold, 2, 3, down, 8, up, 1, 2, 3, down, 9, up, 1, 2, 3, down, 10, up, 1, 2, 3, down, 11, up, 1, 2, 3, down, 12, up, 1, 2, 3, down, 13, up, 1, 2, 3, down, 14, up, 1, 2, 3, and down for 15. Next, we'll do the door stretch, my favorite, and then we'll do them at 3 levels, low, medium, and high. All you need is a doorway, such as the doorway to your bathroom, which is great if there's a mirror there, which is where I am, and my doorways are kind of wide, by the way. So we're going to start with low. Your hands are slightly higher than your waist. For the low version, you can step into it by stepping one foot slightly into the doorway. You'll feel the stretch and hold it for 10 seconds, then release. We'll do this one 3 times, 10 seconds each. Ready? And step. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. That's 1. And step. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Feeling a good stretch, and step one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, your hands are positioned so that your upper arms are slightly lower than 90 degrees. We'll repeat the 10-second stretches and we'll do them 3 times. Now with this one, I just lean into it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. So my feet are just together. Ready for the second one? And lean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. One more. Lean into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Last, for the high level, move your hands higher so that your elbows are past the 90-degree angle. Do each stretch for 10 seconds again and do it 3 times. Ready? Let's go. And lean in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. And let's do it again. And lean in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. And one more. And lean in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew, good job. Third, we'll strengthen the muscles. For this, you'll need a long resistance band that's tied to something stable. Or if you belong to a gym, you can use their resistance bands that have handles. First, we'll do rows. Your forearms are parallel to the ground, and you're going to pull back on the band to pull the shoulder blades together. We're going to do 10 repetitions. Now, you can work up to do doing 15 repetitions and doing 3 sets. We're going to do 1 set of 10. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For the second exercise, we'll do face pulls. Now it's similar to rows. You'll pull your elbows out to your sides with your forearms parallel to the floor, and then your hands and forearms rotate up to the sides of your face. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Now, like last time, we'll do 10 repetitions. You can work up to 15 repetitions in doing 3 sets. We'll do 1 set here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, good job. Perform these exercises a few times a week, and over time, you'll condition your body to maintain better posture, supporting both your spine and your shoulders. Check out another set of exercises to get rid of neck hump. Now, I'll admit, a couple exercises are the same as you just did, like the door stretch, because it's a favorite. Tap its image to check it out. Also consider strengthening your core area. The other image leads to a video, and it's excellent for getting flat abs.